Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Festivals are always special because we make a lot of sweets and savories and we celebrate very nicely at home. Today I'm going to share a wonderful sweet recipe and we're going to make this famous Puran poli, and I'm going to show you how you can make this in very simple steps. So let's get started and check it out. I'm going to show you a really simple and easy method of preparing this Puran poli. First, we need to get the dough ready. To a wide bowl, add 2 cups of Maida, 1/4 teaspoon salt, a pinch of turmeric powder. Adding turmeric powder will give a nice beautiful yellow color to the Puran poli. Mix all these ingredients together, then add a little water at a time and mix the dough. You can use water at room temperature to knead the dough. Add water as required and mix the dough nicely. Add 2 teaspoons of oil and gently knead the dough till all the oil is absorbed. Then apply just 1 teaspoon of oil around the dough and spread it all over. Let the dough rest for about 1 hour. For the puran, take half cup of Chana Dal. It is a 125 ml cup measurement. Soak the Chana Dal for about 2 hours. To a pressure cooker, add the soaked dal, pour enough water. Close the cooker and cook for about 5 to 6 whistles on medium-low flame. After 6 whistles, turn off the stove. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker and mash the dal either using a ladle or a masher. Now keep the dal aside. To a pan, add the mashed dal and the powdered jaggery. Since I've taken half cup of Chana Dal, I'm taking half cup of jaggery. So the measurement is 1:1 ratio. Mix it all well. The puran should be a nice thick consistency. Keep the flame on medium and cook the puran for about 10 to 15 minutes till you get the right consistency. The puran mixture is getting thick and nice. At this stage, add the cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon of ghee and mix it all together. Once all the excess moisture is evaporated and the mixture has become nice and thick, transfer it to a bowl and cool it completely. Once the puran mixture is cooled down, take small portions of the mixture and shape it into small round balls. So as you can see, this is the right texture of the puran. Let's prepare the puran balls and keep them in a plate. The dough has been resting for about an hour now. You can see how soft and nice it is. Divide the dough into small equal sized balls. The dough balls and the puran balls are ready. Let's prepare the poli now. To a rolling stone, place a piece of butter paper and grease the butter paper with a little ghee. Since the dough is very soft, it will be easy to remove it from the butter paper if we grease it properly. Apply a little ghee on another butter paper as well. Take a dough ball, gently press the dough in the middle. It will come to a nice small cup shape. Now place the puran ball in the middle of the dough and close it from all sides. Gently roll the ball till it's all sealed from all sides. Place this ball on the butter sheet and place another butter paper on the ball and gently press it with your palm. The sides of the butter paper that is used to roll out the poli has to be greased. So just see how I'm doing it. If you find this challenging, you can also use a chapati roller to roll out the Puran polis. Once it is done, remove the butter paper on top so you can see how beautifully it has come out. It's very easy to prepare in this way. You can prepare all the polis in this manner and keep it aside. Heat a tawa. Once it's hot, spread a little ghee on the tawa and place the Puran poli on it. Cook the poli for about 10 seconds and flip it to the other side. Keep flipping the poli at intervals of 10 to 15 seconds. This gorgeous yellow color of the Puran poli is because of the turmeric that we've added in the dough. Once you see the brown spots, just add a little ghee on top. Wow, just look at that delicious Puran poli. It's ready. You can prepare all these polis in the same manner and enjoy this yummy Puran poli nice and hot. See how soft and beautiful that filling inside is. Make sure to follow all these steps to get it perfectly. This makes for a wonderful festive sweet treat. So you can see we made these delicious and soft Puran polis. Now these are great for any festival times. Just take some time and you can easily make them at home. Now I'm going to taste this. You can see how soft it is with all that lovely filling. So good. It's so good with a nice puran filling, and it's very, very tasty and very soft. Well, I really enjoyed that nice, hot and fresh puran polis. Now follow all the steps that I've showed you in the video to get it perfectly. Do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.